how to set the incoming call to display in full screen, small pop-up or mini pop-up on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the more button. From the pop-up, tap on settings. Now in settings, scroll down. Then tap on call display while using apps. From here, you can choose full screen, small pop-up or mini pop-up. So this is the full screen here. So if I give myself a call, so that's the full screen. Now for a small pop-up. So small pop-up. And for mini pop-up. And that's it. So those are the three different style that you could choose: full screen, small pop-up, or mini pop-up. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.